How do you make a popular video for YouTube? I've done some research here and there on how others view the making of a popular video for YouTube. Some people say that you have to have the perfect lighting. Some people say you have to have the perfect background. Some people say you have to look good, you have to have your hair in place, all that good stuff. But one thing I've noticed is when you have that perfect lighting, it really shows the flaws in you. It shows that hair that's out of place. It shows that extra wrinkle that other people didn't know was there. It shows all kinds of close-up stuff, right? So that perfect lighting, it isn't always so perfect, is it? Well, can you really listen to others? Can you really take their opinions with a grain, or not with a grain, whatever? I think that coming up with a good, popular video for YouTube is not easy. I don't believe anybody really has a true answer. I don't believe anybody truly has the perfect recipe, I guess you could say, for the perfect, good, popular video. I'm guessing it would need to be cinematic, of course. Not everybody has the ability or the time or the inclination to actually do cinematic videography or have the fancy equipment to be able to do that, or the time, or be in a place, right, like on the beaches of who the heck knows where. And some people don't want to be shown in the videos. Some people just want from here up shown in the video. Some people want to show it all. I don't know. Is there really the perfect recipe for a good popular video on YouTube? Some of my most popular videos that I've put on YouTube are not videos that I personally thought anybody else in the world would even consider watching. So even my own opinion about my own videos that I post to YouTube are not accurate. You know, I'll make a video, I'll put it up there and I think, wow, you know, everybody in the world's gonna like this, they're gonna get a kick out of that, right? Everybody's gonna get a laugh out of this one, or maybe, you know, there's a gazillion people in this world that would just love, you know, to hear my opinion, listen to me talk, whatever, you know, stuff like that. And those videos maybe get 1 or 2 views. My most popular video on YouTube is where I show a hole in the ground where a groundhog dug under my shed. And then I showed my remedy for keeping the groundhogs away, which was basically just urinating into the hole that the groundhog dug, right? I didn't show my personal thingamadoogie, but you know, you get the gist of what I'm doing by watching the video. That is my most popular video. Who would have known? And then I do another one on you know, kind of like a follow-up video on the groundhogs digging under my shed. And my follow-up video, in my opinion, is better than the original video. But my follow-up video hardly ever gets viewed. It's about the same stuff, has the same tags, has the same content, basically, I guess you could say. So following the recipe of that one popular video onto the follow-up video didn't really gain a heck of a lot of views. I mean, it got a lot of views, but it's nowhere near that first video, which is, you know, every day I'm seeing there are people clicking on it and viewing it. It's weird, strange. I don't know. I don't think there really is a good recipe for, you know, like if I was to get on here and try to tell people how to create a popular video, right, that other people would love to see, I don't think I could do it. I've got a lot, well, I've got like 144 videos, I believe. Several of them only got 1 or 2 views. I've got some that have no views. I've got others that blew up and got a lot of views. But I don't understand why. Why did that one get a lot of views where the other ones don't? I don't know. I've gone back and I've reviewed, I've looked at them, I've looked at my tags, I've looked at this, I've looked at that, and I'm wondering why. What exactly is it? What's different? I have no clue. All I can say is, if you want to get a good video, a good popular video on YouTube, the only way that I know of to do that is just to start making videos and posting them on YouTube. The only way that you're going to get views and learn is to do it, right? So just, in my opinion, the best way to get a popular video on YouTube is don't worry about it. Don't even try to figure it out. Just make your videos, enjoy yourself, put them on YouTube. Give yourself some thumbs up. Give me some thumbs up. Give yourself some thumbs up. Everybody in the world can give you thumbs up and give you comments, subscriptions. I had a person subscribe to my channel. They said that the reason they subscribed is because they enjoyed my philosophy on life, enjoyed my outlook on life and my viewpoint. You know, I don't know. Why do people get subscribers? Because something clicked, something in their mind or in their heart clicked. I don't know. But anyway, just keep making the videos, putting them on YouTube, and you'll figure it out. Just like I am. With the proper lighting, that's bright, I don't like that. Or the proper background, I don't know, ceiling tiles. Anyway, that's all I've got right now. I'll see you next time. Enjoy. Give me some thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Make comments. If you make comments, you know, I'll reply to them. As long as they're not bad comments. But anyway, give me thumbs up. Talk to you later.